Hello, my name is Nigel Smalls from infraredaustralia.com.au and I'm here to show you how to put the mounting bracket in the rear of the Heliosa range of shortwave infrared heaters. With the Heliosa 44 we've also got a rear mount. The rear mount's the same on all the Heliosas. It's a half moon shape. Comes in a little bag, and you have to recognize which way around the heater is. So the writing on the back of the labels tells you which way is right up, and then if you can see this, it's got a curve, and obviously the bottom of the curve is what's got to go underneath. There are two tabs on the side, and you have to locate within that tab by putting it in an angle, and then you've got it located between the two tabs that stop it from moving beyond horizontal or no further than 45 degrees. There's also once you've got it in there, a long screw that fits through with a nylock nut. Tighten the nylock nut up as far as you can, and then get two size 13 spanners, or an adjustable on a spanner, one on each side, and you tighten it until it's hand tight. That's now hand tight. Obviously when you're mounting it up on the wall you want it tighter than that, but this allows for the heater to be mounted, and then once you've got the right angle that you want, whether it be anything from horizontal, which would be straight out, down to 45 degrees, which is the lowest you can put it. Most of them go around about 30 degrees, but maximum 45 degrees. Then you tighten it up completely and tightly once it's in the right position, and once it's up in place, once you've checked it out. So you just tighten it like that, and then it can't move. The bracket that is used mostly to mount to a wall with a 44 is this short bracket. There's another bolt, a nylock nut. You attach this to the wall with a couple of Tek screws or wood screws, depending on what surface you're putting into, and then you can attach simply putting a hole through and tightening it up. Bear in mind that this heater itself weighs 2 kilos, so it's not a heavy thing to put above your head and determine where you want it to go. You tighten that up and it's all done. Switch it on and away you go. So that's how you install mounting bracket on the Heliosa range of shortwave infrared heaters. For more information visit infraredaustralia.com.au or infraredheating.com.au. Thank you for watching.